Alright, this is the final list of the common verbs. And on this one, I also added my kind of own list as well that I tacked on. This isn't an exhaustive list, but it is a list of common verbs that I feel are necessary to learn. So continuing, lukso. Lukso means to jump, like to jump. Simply just jumping, right? However, ambak also means to jump, but ambak means to jump to a lower place, like to get down from somewhere. So you're gonna jump down to a place, right? They both mean jump, but ambak just means you're gonna jump to a lower place or jump or get down to somewhere, right? It can also mean like you can hand something down or to pass something down. Luto means to cook. Mata means to wake up. Even though it means eye, it also means to wake up. Um, Matay means to die. So matay means to die, but patay means to kill. Okay? So don't get those two confused. Patay means to kill, but matay means to die. Uh, Minaw, minaw means to listen. To listen, as in like you're gonna listen to someone with attention, right? It's not just random hearing. You're not just hearing for something. You're listening to something with attention. Um, Hiyom means to smile. Um, Hulay means to rest. Right? Hulay means to rest. But descanso means to rest as well. So you can use both descanso and hulay. They're just synonymous again. And this happens a lot in Cebuano. You'll find a lot of words that mean similar things that can mean the same thing. Palit means to buy or to purchase something, to buy something. Um, what else? Oh, patid. Patid means to kick or sikad. Sikad, patid. Because my mom, she always says pasikad sikad, like to kick around, like to kick, or to pedal or kick around, right? So patid or sikad mean to kick. Uli means to go home, right? Uli, to return home, to go home. Pili means to choose. Pili. Putol means to cut or to shorten something, to cut something short, right? Putol means to cut. Uh, Puyo means to live or to reside, like to live in a place or reside in a place, like a place that you're gonna call home or that kind of thing means puyo. Sabot means to understand, right? It's to understand, a comprehension, to comprehend. Sakai means to ride, ride, like ride a vehicle. Sakit means to be in pain or to hurt or to be sick, right? Sakit. Sayaw means to dance. Singit means to shout or to yell. Siagit means the same thing too. It's similar. It's like yelling and shrieking. Siagit, singit. Sera means to close. Sugod means to begin or to start something. Sulti, this is the one that means to speak or to talk. To Sulti means like to speak, talk, or to tell. Sulat means to write. Sulod means to enter. Sumbag means to hit or to punch somebody or to hit somebody. Tabang means to help. Tago means to hide. Tanaw means to 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 look, like to, how can I put this? Tanaw means like to look at something, but it's like to watch something carefully, like, oh, tanaw, like, oh, okay, you can use it as in like to watch TV because you're watching it with attention, right? It's different from kita. Kita just means see, or like seeing. But tanaw, it's like you're actually looking at something with attention. Which is kind of like what was the other one? There was another verb that you had to do with attention. Oh yeah. Um uh like pamingaw, yeah, paminaw and dungog. One of them is giving attention to another. Where was I now? Oh yeah, tawag. Tawag means to call. Tindog means to stand. To stand, you can even use this to express something, to stand, like to stand something up, right? It means just to stand something that's upright. Trabajo means to work. Tubag means to answer. Tudlo means to teach or to point. Tukod, I'm blanking out here. Oh yeah, there you go. It's like tukod means like to construct or to make or to build, to construct or to build. Like you're gonna build a house or a building or something like that. You're gonna construct or to build it. Tulog means to sleep. Tuo means to believe, like to believe in something, or to believe in someone. Tuon means to study, and estudio also means the same thing, to study, like you're gonna study something. So that's from Tom Marking's notes. Then after the red line, I put my own. So ihi means to urinate or to pee, take a piss. Utot means to pass gas, like to fart. Kapoy means to be tired. Simhot means to smell, like you're smelling something. Simhot. Bati is the one that's to feel, like, but it's more like to emotional feelings, not physical feelings. So like, like gibati og something, like to feel something of an emotional kind of, like to feel sick or to feel in love or something like that. That's what it means, like to feel. Like if you say lain ang pagbati ko, means, oh, something's different with my feeling, like I don't feel well today. And it's not physical, it's something different, like intangible. Ayo means to be good, for something to be good. Tilaw means to taste. Ilhis means to change, like as in to change clothes, right? So to change clothes. Sabat means to shush or to shut up, to be quiet. Balhin, but Saba technically literally means noisy, but if you use it in that sense, you're pretty much telling someone that they're noisy. Balhin means to move, or to move, yeah, to move places, move. Katol means to itch. Gunit means to hold, or to hold something, right? To hold something. I guess you can say to hold something in place, or to hold something temporarily, just to hold, right? Cambio means to change, and this cambio just means change, like just not like change clothes, but cambio is just like change. And tang tang means to remove or to take away or to take out. Tang tang. So, yep, this is the last of the series, and I don't know if I'm going to be doing another list of this.